Hello everybody and welcome. For this crafting project I am going to be sublimating some tin cans. I came across this deal for a whole bunch of tin cans. I got 100 of them. They all came with little lids. I wasn't sure buying them if I was able to sublimate them. I got them off of Marketplace. But I got them for a pretty good price, and if I wasn't able to sublimate them, I knew I could add sticker paper or vinyl to it. I got them home and I gave it a test to see if I could sublimate them, and turned out it sublimated amazing. I made a design with a llama. It says no problema. Very funny tin can to have. Came out really cute. I really like this design. I like llama designs. I think they're fun. I had a schedule notebook once with a llama on it. I did another set of cans because my husband and I have been thinking and planning about a special project. I'll get more into that at a later date once we've gotten everything all worked out. I have so many things in my mind of possibilities to do with these cans. I was thinking about doing little crafting bundles or crafting kits, sticker bundles where you could get a can with a whole bunch of different stickers in it. I was thinking about doing a shirt in a can and somebody getting like a mystery shirt or a plaid shirt. I'm just thinking about all of the possibilities that I could do with these cans. But right now I'm just sublimating them for people. So these cans came out awesome. I just love them. I did a little Christmas design too. And I was thinking about doing like a little Christmas bundle inside with like a mystery box, but in a can type of thing for Christmas, and maybe doing a giveaway with that. So I'd make up a Christmas design, put it on a can, and add a few things inside as a surprise and give it away as a mystery prize. Maybe I'll do that. Something to think about, because the Christmas giveaway is coming up very soon, only a few weeks away. What do you guys think of these cans I've made? Let me know down in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a fantastic day, everybody. Happy crafting.